దాంట్ల మీద డ్యామేజ్ కాకుండా నిలిచిపోతుంది అక్కడ.
Nova Specialty Surgery Center has come up with a new treatment for arthritis. Doctors at Nova Jubilee Hills Center said that full knee replacement, which is the order of the day, is in fact not required in many cases. Patients can get better functional results with partial knee replacement, the doctor said, and added that they want to introduce this concept to the public in India in a big way. This treatment is meant for patients suffering from severe arthritis affecting one of the 3 compartments, they said. Dr. Uday Prakash, Dr. Nitin, and Dr. Sudhir Reddy of Nova Specialty Surgery explained this new procedure for arthritis.
Okay.
Meant for patients with severe arthritis affecting 1 out of the 3 compartments. And many of the patients fall into this category who actually get total knee replacements. So what we are trying to emphasize to the public and to the professionals is that you don't have to do a full knee replacement. You can get better functional results with a partial knee replacement. So this has not come to India in a big way, but we would like to introduce this concept both to the public and to the professionals, so that in the future we don't have to do this big surgery. And these knees have better function, more bent, they can sit on the floor cross-legged easily, and they can be much more active than patients who have a total knee replacement. It has been clearly shown in all the studies that have been done till date that a patient with a unicompartmental knee replacement or unicondylar knee replacement has overall a better function. That means they are walking better, they're climbing steps better, they can play sports. I'm not saying football or anything, but they can play golf, cycling, hiking, all these things they can do.
Especially in India, we have a lot of younger crowd, younger patients who are being affected with this one compartment having arthritis. In these patients, it is very useful to have a partial knee replacement. What is the most important factor is that we don't remove any ligaments which are important for knee function, which in a total knee replacement we may have to remove. So in this one, we preserve all the ligaments and then just replace the affected compartment.
దేశంలో జరిగే నీ రిప్లేస్మెంట్లో కనీసం 10-20% మందికి పార్షియల్ నీ రిప్లేస్మెంట్ జరుగుతుంది. మిగతా వాళ్ళకు టోటల్ నీ రిప్లేస్మెంట్ లాంటి జరుగుతాయి. ఇండియాలో 0.01% కూడా జరగదు. ఎందుకంటే ల్యాక్ ఆఫ్ అవేర్నెస్, ల్యాక్ ఆఫ్ ట్రైనింగ్, ల్యాక్ ఆఫ్ అండర్స్టాండింగ్. సో యంగ్ పేషెంట్లో ఇది చాలా యూస్ఫుల్. ఎందుకంటే ఇప్పుడు ఓన్లీ పార్షియల్ని మార్చామనుకోండి, కొద్దినే మార్చామనుకోండి, 20 years తర్వాత అది ఫెయిల్ అయితే టోటల్ నీగా మార్చడం చాలా ఈజీ అవుతుంది. వాళ్ళకి మళ్ళీ ఏదైనా అనదర్ 20 years పెద్ద ఇబ్బంది ఉంటుంది. ఆ ఉద్దేశంతో సర్టన్ సెగ్మెంట్ ఆఫ్ పాపులేషన్కు టోటల్ నీ రీప్లేస్మెంట్ కాకుండా ఓన్లీ పార్షియల్ నీ రీప్లేస్మెంట్ చేయడము ఎంతో బెటర్.